Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming another moving house vlog, and today is a really exciting one because we are finally going to sort out my office slash filming room, and I'm very excited. That is what this whole vlog is going to be. It's going to be like an office transformation because at the moment it's pretty empty and it's just a bit of a mess, but we're going to transform it into a lovely office. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, so I'm going to start off by showing you guys the office before. It's going to be really echoey. Well, it's really bright as well. So at the moment, we've got nothing along this wall. We've got a desk here that I don't think is going to stay because I've got a new desk. We've got my pink sofa, which is not staying there. It's going to move. We've got some things that need opening and building. We've got my chair. We've got this bookshelf that needs building and obviously putting stuff on it. So that is all that is in here at the moment, but it's all in the wrong place. Everything's going to be shifted around, and we've got loads of things that we want to put on the walls and stuff like that. So it's going to be a real transformation. Let's go.
It's me!
We're going to build an Alex because one is not enough. We need another one. Actually, that's true because I have already got one, and I'm going to make another one. So, whoa! Calm yourself. Alex. Yeah, I've got one of these already, an Alex 5 drawer thingy. That's fine, but I thought I would have another one because of how I'm going to have my desk. You guys will see it in a bit, but the first thing we're going to build is Alex number 2. Where? Ready?
Yeah.
Screwing these screws is the most satisfying thing ever. Look. Oh, look at it go. I love that. You're missing out. Look at you. Just like a little head poking out. I might just leave it there. I could honestly do this as a job. Just screw all day long. Oh. Screw screws. Do you know what I mean? It looks so lonely over there. But yeah, we've now built this Alex drawer, and we're going to put it, well, I'll try and lift it myself. I'm going to basically put it over in that corner there. Thanks. Oh. You just look really weird then.
Mike.
That's what it looked like. So the plan is to make a desk using the Alex drawers as like the legs. There you go. That's a good demonstration. Oh my god, it's not as long as I thought. I thought it was going to go way longer, but that's fine. So yeah, that is the desk, and then you probably want me to put that under, don't you? But that is my desk. I just thought it would be nicer to have a slightly bigger desk in here. So I've got a bit more room and I like it very much. So I think we should go and get the makeup drawers now and shove them in. Ta-da! Okay, so we're now gonna move the sofa, and I mean, I like it here, but I want it to still be in my filming background, and I think having the background over there is the best bet because I've got a lot of space. So we're gonna try moving it back there. I don't know how it's gonna look, but
Let's give it a
go.
You could, if you wanted to, put that tall plant.
Yeah, definitely a plant there.
You could put
solid
one on the side
idea.
if you wanted to.
Yes. Oh my goodness, it looks so tiny right now. That is so weird. On the camera,
Yeah.
it looks like a miniature sofa. No, but now you look miniature. That is so strange. So yeah, we've put the sofa there. For some reason it looks tiny. It's not. It hasn't shrunk. Oh, you look cute.
Oh, thank you.
You look so cute. Does anyone else just want his eyes? I'm always tempted to just pull them off and swap. Okay, so it is now a little while later. If you're wondering why Alex has changed his clothes, it's because he's changed his clothes.
Because
and
I just love fashion so much that I need to wear at least 3 outfits a day.
he wants to show you all his different outfits. No, he's changed clothes
I
because
was wearing
he had a
jeans
shower.
and a t-shirt earlier, I'm now wearing jeans
and a t-shirt. Oh, I like the variety. Anyway, since I last spoke to you, we have done a grand total of one thing, and that is put that bookshelf there. So I've decided to put the bookshelf up there because I feel like that wall needed a little something on it. And yeah, we're now going to put a load of stuff on the walls. And the first thing we're going to do is put up this mirror because I think it will look better if it's actually like up on the wall instead of just propped up.
Oh, actually, do you know what? He's only gone and done it.
Perfecto. So there we go. I've now got a mirror up on my wall. I've always wanted a mirror up on my wall.
Have you?
Dreams do come true. Yeah. So hard. I got this. I got it this time. I got it.
Have you?
This is the way you do it.
No, too high.
Yeah, then you.
There we go.
So I finally have my 100,000 subscriber YouTube plaque on the wall, and if you're wondering why it's not central, it's because we're going to have curtains down here, so the curtains will probably come out to about here. So it will be central once we've got the curtains, but I finally have it on the wall and it looks really cute. You probably can't even tell where it is. I've gone for this general area. It looks wonky, but it's not, is it?
It's not, we put the level on it.
Snap wonky. No. So my mum got me these really cute little rose gold, what would you call them, like wall hanger things? I don't really know what to call them, and they've got these really nice little quotes on them, and obviously you can put more of your own pictures on there, but this is how they've come, and they're so cute, but we're just trying to work out where to put them.
Oh.
So they're finally up on the wall and they look really cute, don't they? So obviously I can put more stuff on them in the future, but for now I actually quite like the things that have come with it. They match nicely, they say cute things, and yeah, this is my little office space. And I'm also gonna have a little like mirror here or something, not like on the wall but just like stood up, and all of my other stuff will go out on the desk at some point soon in this vlog. Yeah, the last thing to go on the wall is this big fat fella, and not this one, this one, and I don't know where to put it. Like, I really don't. I'm thinking here, because what were you saying? I need to look at it as this.
You need to look at it as two separate rooms, I think.
Yeah.
That's your editing, chilling room, and this down here, really, this end is more function than it is fashion. That is your filming background. The room stops here for you, basically.
It's true. So if we put like all the decorative bits like up here, that's the office, whereas this bit here is really just a background. It's like a backdrop, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I think it will look good if it goes here, because it does sort of keep the room separate. As you can see, I've gone for some really minimalistic decor on the bookshelf, so I just thought a beer bottle would be the best bet, just like one beer bottle. But I'm obviously joking. I always feel like I have to clarify when I'm joking, just in case. I'm always so blunt, like, you never know. I don't think I can read.
I don't know that you can.
I can't. Okay, I'll film you doing it.
Alright.
I tripped over some tools.
You're right there.
Yeah. Dead ass.
What?
Yeah, right.
There's nothing there.
I know. So cute. So it is now a few days later, and I thought I would do some more vlogging because I'm going to be doing some more office stuff today. So I thought I'd show you what I'm going to do. I think today the plan is to, well, not for the whole day, it's not going to take me that long, but I'm going to put the stuff out on the bookshelf and make that look cute. I'm going to get all of the stuff out to go on my desk and make that look nice. I've got a delivery that just arrived, and it's a plant that I ordered with like a nice pot. I haven't even opened that yet, so we can unbox that together and put it somewhere in the office. And I think when Alex gets home, he's going to put the curtain the curtain rail up, and then we can put the curtains up, so that will make it feel a bit like cozier, because you've got to have some curtains, haven't you? I'll bring you guys along with me. You lucky bunch. I've really been enjoying having a full-length mirror stuck to the wall for the first time. It's honestly a game changer. It makes life a lot easier and I like it. So I thought I'd let you know. Oh, that focus going in and out. Look how cute this corner of the room looks. I absolutely love it. So the only thing I've done so far today before I picked up the camera was put all of the stuff out on the desk that was on my desk in the old house, if you know what I mean. So it's nothing new. Oh, apart from this guy, we have a new arrival. Let's all welcome the new mirror, and I really like it. It's a little copper mirror. It just kind of goes with everything nicely and it doesn't take up too much space, but it's a decent size. Like, I'm pretty happy because, oh wait a minute. There we go. Hi, I'm here. Yeah, I'm really happy with it because in the last place, I didn't really have anywhere to do my makeup. I just used to sit on the floor and do my makeup every day. So it's really nice to have a desk this time that's big enough for my Mac, but also a mirror so that I can get ready. That looks like it's my eye. Do you know what I mean? It looks like I've got one eye here and this is my other eye. I've obviously put out my makeup brushes on this end because this has all of my makeup in it, so it made sense to keep it all this end. And then on this side is more like the computer side, if you know what I mean. So I've got my Mac, I've got my lamp, bits and bobs, like just random bits that were on my desk in the last place, and I've just put them out again. I've got my laptop on there because I do use my laptop more than I use that. It just depends how I'm feeling. So I've got the option there, but I really like it. I think it looks super cute, and this drawer I think is going to be filled with like skincare and hair stuff like that. So I'm going to fill that up at some point because I've got a load of boxes that I need to empty out. I need to put my little bin in his place. Oh god. Nice one. I also need to put this somewhere, but I don't know whether to put it on the wall or just like prop it up because unfortunately it doesn't fit on these shelves, it's too fat. I mean, in the last place I had it propped on the windowsill, which looked quite nice. So, I mean, I could, or excuse the building stuff outside. I'm not sure. I think I will probably leave it there for now, but I might put it up at some point. Okay, so I think it is time to get my plant out, and I'm really excited because I haven't even looked at it yet. I haven't even opened the box. I've got a fake plant. Obviously I went for a fake one because I want it to last forever and I don't want to kill it. So I went for a fake plant and it's like a palm tree plant, I think. Very fancy, but ow! That looks really good. You would not think that that was fake. Here he is, my new plant. Obviously I need to get it out of the packaging, but first I'm gonna open the other box. So this one has the pot inside it because I ordered like a nice big white pot. That's really big. Like, that can't be right. Really? This is the look, okay, look. Okay, so I double checked my order and it's definitely the right one and it's definitely the size that they recommend for that plant. Look at the size of this thing. It's actually massive. Now that I've like pushed the leaves out, the pot doesn't look so ridiculously big. I mean, it's definitely excessive, but it will be fine. I'll probably have to like get some nice gravel and just put that in there. I actually really like it and I think it's gonna look super cute. I was gonna put it next to my sofa, but I kind of think it might look nice over there in the corner because I do have a really like blank corner over there. But I'm gonna do this first. I'm gonna put everything out on this and then we can see what looks best. So my bookshelf now has all of its stuff on it again. I think I've done it similar to how it was last time. I thought I would try putting these on my desk instead of on the bookshelf this time because, I don't know, maybe here. I feel like you need a little bit of green on your desk, don't you? And then this one could go here. I think it looks so cute over in that corner. I just need to get Alex when he gets home to pull the bookshelf out a bit. I mean, I can't, it's too heavy. But I think if I pull the bookshelf out a bit so it's not so squashed, I think that is a really good little spot for it, especially because you'll see it as soon as you walk in the room. It's just like, ah, I really like that there, but then that leaves me still with nothing to go in my background. I'm actually a little bit in love with this plant, like honestly, it's so pretty. You just wouldn't think it was fake. It just looks like I've got a exotic plant for real in my room. I still need to like bend the branches. Branches, is that what they're called? Yeah. I still need, leaves. I still need to bend the leaves so that they are, you know, looking a little bit neater, but I'll do that once everything's moved. So I was just going through my boxes of stuff and I realised I hadn't put out some very important items. So I've got my rose gold brush holder or pencil pot, whatever you want to use it for. I've just put some more brushes in there, and then I've also rearranged this bit a little bit because I couldn't not put my marble stapler on the desk, like it's got to be there. So I've just rearranged it a little bit and I actually prefer it now. So yeah, so it is now a little while later. I've just spent quite a long time going through all my boxes and putting stuff in these drawers. So the top one is nail stuff. We've got fake nails at the back and nail polishes here, and then I've got like a nice little gap in case I want to get some more. And then the next drawer is skincare products. The next one is, well, this one's a bit of a mixture. We've got hair stuff, hand creams, random, but I thought I'd put them there, and then some shower gels at the back. And then this one is like body stuff. So we've got a load of body creams and body scrubs and stuff like that, and fake tan. The bottom one is face masks. So they're all like sheet masks and like peel off masks and some hairbands as well. So those are my drawers all done. This is the final box that I have to unpack. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. It's nearly all done, and I've still got this pig balloon from my birthday. It just doesn't seem to be deflating, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have him for the rest of my life. Like, I can see myself still having this when I'm an old granny because it just doesn't seem to be deflating, but it's fine. He's very cute, so I'm just gonna pop him there. And yeah, this box is just filled with cushions and stuff like that, so it won't take me long. I've basically just put everything out for now just to get it all out of the box, but I'm definitely gonna reorganize it because it looks like a right mess. And yeah, but I've just done that for now to get everything out, but when I'm using this as my filming background, I'll definitely make it look a bit tidier. And I've also got my old rug out, although it's looking smaller than ever. I think because this is a bigger room than the last one, I probably need to get a bigger rug because that looks like, you know, it looks a bit sad, doesn't it? But for now, I've got my rug out, I've got my cushions out. What would you guys like me to have as my filming background? Like, obviously my plan is to still have the sofa in the background because I had so many comments saying, please don't get rid of the pink sofa. But what else? Like, I don't really know what else to do. What should I put down here? Would you like fairy lights, or do you not like fairy lights? We could like push it along a bit and like have it on an angle and then put something else. I don't know. Let me know what sort of backgrounds you like, or shall I get rid of it and have a plain background? I don't know, like I really don't know, but I would love to hear what you guys think. For now, my filming background is definitely not done. Like, this end of the room is just not, it's just not done, but at least I have somewhere to now film some normal videos next week. However, I would say the office side of the room is pretty much done, so I think I'm gonna do like a finished overview now. So yeah, just ignore this side. This is not finished, but ta-da! I absolutely freaking love it. Every time I walk in here, I'm just like, that plant is so nice, but it's pretty much done. Alex didn't manage to get the curtains up, but we're gonna do that at some point, probably at the weekend. So yeah, for now you can't see the curtains, but they will be there eventually. And everything else I think is done. Oh no, the only other thing is obviously I need to get these up, but I still am not sure where to put them, but they're definitely gonna go somewhere. So yeah, I will just do a little wander around. We've got the bookshelf, the plant. This is what it looks like from this angle, and I just think it looks so good. I'm so happy with it, and yeah, I don't know what else to say really. That is the office transformation pretty much done. Like, the things that I've mentioned that haven't been done yet, I guess you guys will see that in the finished house tour. So yeah, yay!